If you use WhatsApp, consider to activate these three settings now for better security of your WhatsApp account. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. I'm going to click on here, open up my WhatsApp. Then after you open up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to privacy. Then under the privacy, simply scroll down and make sure you click on advanced. Under the advanced right here, you have all these tabs turned on. What you need to do is to make sure you turn them on. First, make sure you turn on this particular protect IP address in calls. So make sure you turn it on. When you turn this on, it simply means that nobody will be able to track your IP address if you are on a call on a WhatsApp, whether video call or audio call. They are not going to track your IP address. Next, make sure you turn on this particular toggle again. So after you turn on this particular toggle again, this is going to prevent you from malware or scam link that is being sent to you in your WhatsApp DM. So with that, nobody will be able to hack your WhatsApp account or track you based on the link that was sent to you on your WhatsApp account. Lastly, go back to your WhatsApp account right here. Go back to the account. So click on account right here. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to security notification. And lastly, make sure you turn on this button right here. With that, if anybody is trying to have access to your WhatsApp account without your consent, WhatsApp is going to send you a verification code that are you the one that want to have access to this account? If you are not the one that want to have access to the account, you have to decline it. It's that simple. These are important three settings you need to enable or turn on right now, for a better security of your WhatsApp account. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your WhatsApp, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.